Do you like free things? Do you like to garden? Well, I tell you what, if you're looking to add some pop of color to your garden, as well as bring some delicious flavor to your garden, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm giving away free seeds. Hey everybody, welcome back to the garden. Doug the Crocgardener here. I was saving some seeds and thought, man, I got a lot of these. I could just give them away. So you guys are gonna benefit from all this. I am gonna give away some Mexican torch sunflower seeds, as well as some Shishito Pepper Seeds. These seeds will provide some serious color to your garden, as well as provide some food for the pollinators. They also will bring a delicious flavor to your dishes in the garden. The Mexican torch sunflower is something I grew in my garden for the first time this year, and this thing is a beauty. It's got a reddish, orangish hue, a ton of flowers that the pollinators absolutely love. This thing got huge in my garden. It was super easy to grow and put on a spectacular show. The Shishito peppers are also something I grew in my garden. They're going to be a repeat from year after year after year for me. These things provide an abundance of peppers. These things are mild, sweet. Every once in a while you'll get a hot one, but they are great for sautéing and grilling. Let me tell you, they are delicious. So how do you guys get these free seeds? Pay attention because there's gonna be a few steps involved to get these free seeds. The first thing I'm gonna have you do is make sure you click that subscribe button and that like button. Like this video, give this video a boost so other people can see this and see that we got free seeds to give away. I hope to give away all my seeds that I have. Number two, leave me a comment down below. Which seed are you gonna be excited to grow? The pepper seed or the sunflower seed? And tell me why. Number three, and this is a very crucial one, go down in the description down below. You'll find a link to a Google form to fill out so I can get the information from you to get you those seeds. A couple of caveats to this. One, you must be in the United States. I really can't ship seeds across borders, so sorry about that. I know there's some people in Canada, I know one specific one in Canada that will be disappointed, but one of these days we'll try to get you something. Caveat number two, this is a while supplies last giveaway. So as long as I have seeds, I'm gonna be giving them away and shipping them out. Once those seeds are gone, I can't give them away anymore. So be ready for the shut off date on that. So what are you waiting for? Get subscribed, leave me that comment down below, fill out that Google form, and your new seeds will be on your way. Let's get these seeds all out to disperse across America and see how many people can grow these sunflowers and these shishito peppers. Cheers everybody, and God bless.